Alright, so here we have our function generator and oscilloscope, and on the oscilloscope we can change it to be in either normal or single sweep mode depending on what we're doing with it. And in addition to that, we can change the horizontal and vertical scale. So there's the vertical scale being changed, and we can change the horizontal scale as well for reviewing. And here we have a handy dandy cursor with which we can adjust it and then find out the frequency of a wave or function that we're observing. We also have this little dot cursor which represents the portion of the screen that is pre-trigger. So right now 25% of the screen is before the trigger. We can change that to be 75%, and then as you see it's further to the right of the screen, and that can also be changed to be on the negative or positive slope of the function and can be manually adjusted in addition. Here we have the function generator, which can be put in normal or trigger mode. You can create a sine wave, a triangle wave, a square wave, or a pulse wave. Here we can adjust the frequency of our function generator as well as the amplitude, which is often very handy, and we can offset as well. We can change the range of frequency, and lastly what we can do is we can actually put it into trigger mode and do a single sweep on our oscilloscope, which will then allow us to take a single snapshot of the function that we're looking at. So just instead of the whole screen, it'll just be a little bit of it. We can use the manual trigger, and when we push it, it should just be a tiny piece of that wave that we just saw, just like that. And if you hooked it up to an external input, instead of using the manual trigger, you could trigger it that way as well.